Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're putting the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra to the test. Now, this thing is one of the most advanced robot vacuums Roborock has dropped, and it's packed with features that are supposed to make cleaning completely hands-free. But does it actually live up to the hype? Or is it just another overpriced bot with a fancy name? Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe if you want more real, unfiltered reviews. And hey, if you've got questions about this vacuum or any robot vacuum, drop them in the comments. I got you. Okay, first off, the S8 MaxV Ultra looks sleek and premium, and the dock is massive. I'm talking fully loaded, all in one station that empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop, refills water, and even cleans itself. Basically, this thing is trying to make sure you never have to touch it. The vacuum itself has a dual-brush roll system, which Roborock claims improves pickup on carpets and hard floors, and let's not ignore the camera and AI-powered obstacle detection, which means it's supposed to see and avoid obstacles like cables, pet messes, and random socks instead of running over them, like it doesn't care about your life. All right, let's get to the important part. How well does it actually clean? Suction power? Insane! This thing pulls 6,000 pascals of suction, which is one of the strongest I've tested. Pet hair, dirt, dust? Gone. The dual brush roll is a legit upgrade. Unlike most robot vacuums that use one brush, this one has two counter-rotating rollers that actually prevent hair tangling and grab more debris in one pass. The Roborock 3.0 mopping system is no joke. The mop scrubs the floor instead of just wiping it, and when it senses carpet, it lifts up automatically, so no nasty, wet rugs. And the best part? The dock washes the mop with hot water and dries it with warm air. No more smelly mop pads sitting in your house. Now let's talk about the brains behind this thing. The AI-powered obstacle detection actually works. It sees objects, labels them in the app, and avoids them. No more dragging socks across the floor or running over pet accidents. The LiDAR mapping is fast and accurate. It builds a detailed map of your home, and you can even set specific no-go zones and cleaning routines. The app controls are stacked. You can adjust suction and mop intensity, and even schedule different cleanings for different rooms. Also, this thing has voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even its own voice assistant built in, so you can just tell it to start cleaning, and it will. What's not so great? Look, no product is perfect, and there are a few things about the S8 MaxV Ultra that might make you think twice. It's big. The dock takes up a lot of space, so if you live in a small apartment, finding a spot for it might be tricky. It's expensive. You're getting top-tier automation, but you're also paying top-tier money for it. If you're on a budget, there are cheaper options that still clean well. Setup can be a little overwhelming. With all the features and settings, it takes a bit of time to fine-tune everything and get it working exactly how you want. Alright, so is the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra worth it? If you're someone who wants the most advanced, fully automated cleaning system and doesn't mind spending the cash, this is one of the best robot vacuums money can buy. It's powerful, smart, and ridiculously convenient. Literally set it and forget it. But if you're just looking for a solid robot vacuum without all the extra bells and whistles, you could probably save some money and go with the lower tier model. Are there any other key points you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.